Hello everyone, welcome to Code Kamkaji. I hope everybody are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss about introduction of complete CI/CD pipeline, and we are going to discuss about what kind of stacks and what kind of technologies that we are going to use for this entire completion of our CI/CD pipeline. So stay tuned till this video, and if you haven't liked, share, subscribe to Code Kamkaji, I request you to go and do it right away. So I brought some stacks and the terminologies that we are going to use in this entire complete CI/CD pipeline. So the first, we are going to use the source code management. So in the source code management, we are going to use GitLab, and for CI/CD, we are going to use GitLab itself. And for React is our source code, so where we are going to write this simple application. And hello, welcome, whatever it is. So I will show you in this continuous video. And for STAT, which we call as a static application security testing, that we are going to use SonarQube for code quality and code coverage, and Semgrep for finding the code vulnerabilities. And for SEA, security composition analysis, we are going to use a tool called as a Trivy. So Trivy is going to find the security vulnerabilities of your open source modules and libraries. And containerization tool that we are going to use a Docker, and image scanning, again we are going to use a Trivy. And the orchestration, we are going to use a Kubernetes as a deployment, and we are going to run our container of the Docker into a Kubernetes cluster instead of the pod. And DevOps tool that we are going to use Argo CD, and for DAST we are going to use AWS XApp. So these are all the stacks and these are terminologies that we are going to use as a complete package of a CI/CD pipeline. And in this video, we are going to discuss about each and individual importance of each terminology and why we need to use it. And we are going to discuss about how our source code management and looks like, what is our source code, how does it follow structure look like, and what all components that we are going to integrate it, like a Kubernetes manifest file and Docker file and Nginx configuration files, and even our source code of your React. And we are going to discuss about everything detailedly in this video. And do not skip it, watch it carefully if you'd like to go with or if you'd like to learn bunch of things about the productionized or real world best practices of DevOps. So I would like to highly recommend you to watch it completely. And at the end of this video, you are going to get full knowledge of how you can create any CI/CD pipeline, irrespective of stack. It can be Java, it can be any other a stack. So I strongly recommend you to go and watch it completely. And if you have any queries, I request you to drop your comments in comment section. And I'm going to attach the tools and technologies and whatever files that I have referred and documentation, everything I'm going to add into this video description. And by following this video, you first going to step into what is a prerequisite for this entire CI/CD pipeline. Later you will discuss about what is the source code management and how our React application looks like, and later you will be discussing about how you can create and integrate the GitLab runner, and at the end you are going to enable all these terminologies as a CI/CD pipeline by making stages and jobs. So let's jump into the concept of practicality and how you can integrate and how you can create all the CI/CD pipeline.